Hello, welcome to my channel. So what can you gain by watching these videos? Well, not so long ago, I had a bit of a wake-up call moment. It became a catalyst for change, and I wanted to look at three key areas in my life that I knew I wanted to make enhancements, improvements to. The first one being my mental health, my mental well-being, and also I wanted to improve my physical health. And number three, looking at new areas to make an income, specifically around passive income, because I knew that I wanted to try and create some flexibility for both myself as well as my family. In other words, spending more time with them. So that's what you can gain by watching these videos. I am open to suggestion, by the way. Love to hear from you with new ideas. I guess I'll leave you with my tagline: as I evolve, so will you.